Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the MacBook Pro screen for 2017, 2018, or almost any model because the procedures are same. If you follow the same step, you can replace almost each and every model from 2015 to upper version. Okay, so two things that you need to care about. You need to get the right replacement part. Make sure you buy it from reputed website so that you're not going to get faulty or funny quality replacement screen. That's the first thing. Second one, you should have the right tools. Okay, the good news is most of the time when you buy any replacement part, the manufacturer or the supplier, they always supply the screwdrivers and stuff, so it would be much more easier. You don't need to buy extra screwdrivers for another 10-20 pounds. Okay, so that's the second thing. Once you have the right tools and right replacement part, make sure you do have plenty of time, quiet environment, and follow the steps. Keep watching the video first to last. If you get confused, don't worry, watch again. Just make sure you know what I'm doing. Okay, and also there are plenty of videos on YouTube. If you don't like one, you would like another anyway. All right, so keep watching it. Try to understand how it does work, how to do it. By the way, you should not have any sort of technical knowledge to do that because there is no anything soldering or desoldering. Okay, it's all about screws and right place to put right one, and that's all. Okay, to make this replacement easier, what you should do, you need to organize all the screws because at the beginning, when you take out all those screws, it feels everything easy. Believe me or not, if you put it together, all the screws, you will end up with puzzles. It's too difficult to identify. Okay, and Apple is really bad with those things. They always try to use different screws so that people who don't be interested themselves or repair by themselves. So that's the thing. Make sure you should have a white paper or something like that, and then make a block. Okay, keep organizing. Like for example, those screws for the back cover. This is for Wi-Fi antenna panel. This is for battery bracket and everything. And second one, when you disconnect any flex cable, make sure you don't use any sort of metal tools. Okay, first thing that you need to do when you remove the back cover, straight away go to the battery. Disconnect the battery first. Don't touch on the motherboard before you disconnect the battery. If you don't, you're definitely going to damage your GPU and it would cost almost everything. Okay, so these are the two things. Remove the battery, disconnect any charger if connected, and start doing it. Okay, before you pull any flex cable, be careful because those are really sensitive and flimsy, plus very easy to get teared. Okay, and then keep it organized one by one. You can do it. So we got the battery connector which is disconnected, and then you need to take out the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, there are 3-4 brackets. All screws are different, as I mentioned. Keep organized and you can do yourself. All right, so now when you try to remove the actual old panel, what you have to do, you need to pull the screen into 90-degree angle. Okay, and if you have this sort of table or desk, that would be much more easier. Okay, and then when you put the new one back, before you close the back cover lid, reconnect the battery, everything, and connect the battery afterwards. Okay, when you reconnected your LCD flex connector, reconnected the actual Wi-Fi antenna connector, at last you should connect the battery. That's the thing. And when you start opening, at first you need to disconnect the battery. When you are putting back everything together, at the end you need to put the battery connector. Those are the safety precautions that you need to follow, and everything would be fine. Believe me, you can save a couple of £100 easily by doing it. All right. So the video would be quite long, 24 minutes. Okay, I fast forwarded this video like 2x. So it took about 50 minutes to complete that one. So if you take hour and a half, this is brilliant, believe me. Okay, if you try to do hurry, you're gonna left out some screws. Definitely you're not gonna connect all those flex connector properly, so be careful. Make sure you spend enough time to do that. Okay, the screws are funny. When you rotate the screwdriver, be careful, make sure you use the right one. If you don't, and if you try to rotate it, you're going to break the screws, and if you break the screws or snap, it's very difficult to take out. Believe me, you'd remember. If you don't follow that, you'll definitely stuck. Okay, so let's get into the video and perform this replacement. If you do like, or if you do have any suggestion, make sure you leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you'd like to let me know any thanks, then I would say the best way to convey thanks, subscribing to this channel and show your support. So let's enjoy the rest of it.